In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sales reports on eBay, especially designed for beginners who are diving into the world of online selling. Understanding your sales performance is crucial for making informed business decisions, so let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure you get the most out of your eBay selling experience. First, we need to access the eBay Seller Hub. This is your go-to place for managing your business on eBay. Once you're logged into your eBay account, look for the Seller Hub in the main menu. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You may need to enable it in your settings. Once you're in the Seller Hub, navigate to the Performance tab. The Performance tab serves as a central hub for all your analytics, providing insights into how effectively your listings are performing and where there might be room for improvement. Now let's move on to the sales reports. Within the Performance area, you'll find a section clearly labeled Sales Reports. Clicking on this will open up detailed data about your sales activity. These reports provide valuable insights into your business operations, such as identifying popular items, revenue trends, and more. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the different options available, as these tools are designed to help you streamline your business processes. The next step is to select a specific date range for the sales data you wish to view. You can customize the date range according to your needs. Whether you want to see data from the past week, month, or year, simply adjust the settings to display the time period that is most relevant to you. This flexibility allows you to focus on short-term performance or evaluate long-term trends, depending entirely on your business priorities. Finally, it's time to dive into the sales totals and trends. With the date range set, eBay provides a comprehensive breakdown of vital statistics, including total sales figures, average selling prices, and potential growth metrics. Analyzing these trends can help identify which items are performing best, determine seasonal or trend-based fluctuations, and offer insights into optimizing future listings. Utilizing these insights can ultimately enhance your strategy and help drive sales growth. Having walked through these steps, you now have the tools you need to access and interpret your eBay sales reports effectively. Remember, regular monitoring of your sales data is key to understanding your business and responding swiftly to market changes. With practice, you'll become more comfortable navigating these reports, allowing you to make accurate, data-driven decisions that enhance your selling experience. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success on eBay.